Kathy Elliott, Independent Norwex Sales Consultant. I want to talk to you about cleaning paste. Okay, so let's get started and see what this is all about. This is our spear sponge, and mine has a hole in it because typically that's where I put my finger. So anyway, we're just going to get it a little bit wet and open my jar of cleaning paste, and I'm just going to put some paste right on here. There we go. And then I'm going to just start scrubbing away on my sink, getting off any food residue, the marks and that build up on porcelain sinks. And just keep going around and around here. Move this out of the way. Go down into the drain. And we'll just keep going around and around. And it gets it nice and clean. The other little tool here is our utility brush. Just going to get it a little bit wet also. Again, this, I can just get it wet here in the cleaning paste. Then use it on, say here, around the spray nozzle. Maybe it needs the other end here to help get any gunk that's built up. Going across here, behind, around the tap. I know you can hear my little granddaughter in the background. She's just being jealous because Grandma's hands are busy. So we're just going to keep going. Get down in here into the drain and going around. Perhaps even here, you know how we get junk caught into the edges of the sink. Again, this could be also where the tool comes in handy to help pull out anything that gets stuck in there, right? Now, another little addition is this cleaning paste in a tube. It's a cream paste. Shake this down just to get it going good so I can squirt it out. It's like toothpaste on a brush. Just put a little dab here on my cleaning brush. I'm going to add just a little bit of water to it. Again, this would be something nice to use like on your tub perhaps. Maybe you need to get it into another spot that's been really neglected for a while, or you've had a hard time getting stains in that out. Just coming around here. Just show you real quick. So either or, these two come in a set. It's really nice. And then the cleaning paste. Right now, currently, 2021, it is $35. You'll want to check the current catalog on the cost of these two coming together. Again, this is a 4-ounce tube instead of this little tube that I have here in my hand. And then, in addition, you may want to check out the sink caddy. Makes it really handy. Just rinse this tool out real quick. To put your tools in, have them handy at the sink. Rinse this out, set that in there. Got my dishcloth, my dish soap, everything ready to go. Stored on my sink caddy. So again, I hope you enjoyed this quick review on how to use the cleaning paste and how you can use it in different places in your home. And just the porcelain sink is one example.